My name is Alia Renee, and today I'm going to share with you guys another quick tip on how to make healthy cookies, and they're super easy to make. There's only 3 ingredients. So the first ingredient is oatmeal, and you guys can use either old-fashioned oats or you can use instant oats. For this video, I'm just going to use instant oats. The next ingredient is just 1 banana. It needs to be pretty ripe. And then the last ingredient is dark chocolate chips. But if you don't want to use dark chocolate chips, you can use raisins or walnuts, or you don't have to put anything else in it. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do when making our cookies is take our 1 ripe banana and put it into a bowl like I have here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to mash the banana in our bowl. Okay. So I'm just taking a fork and I'm mashing it. Okay, so once your banana is mashed into a paste, you're going to set your oven to bake at 350. So that way it can preheat. And then the next thing we're going to do is take our oats. All I did was empty out one of these original instant oatmeal packets into here. So it's about 1/4 a cup. And you're just going to put a little bit into your bowl. And then you're going to mix it, kind of like fold it, and then just keep adding a little bit more until you use it all. So now that we mixed all of our oatmeal and banana together, I'm going to start taking a little bit and kind of roll it into a ball. Just about that much, not a lot. It's going to be really small. And then just put it on your cookie sheet. And you want to make sure you spread it apart enough because they won't really expand, but I just like to make sure that they're far apart from each other just in case. So now that our cookies are on our cookie sheet, I'm going to add the chocolate chips on top. And like I said earlier, if you don't want to use dark chocolate chips, you can use raisins or walnuts or whatever you want. Now this recipe does only make a snack size. I mean, as you can see, there's only 5 cookies here. So if you want to make more for you or your friends or family, then just double the recipe or just triple the recipe to however many you want to make. So I'm just placing these chocolate chips right on top of the cookies. And there we go. Alright, so now we're going to put our cookies in the oven, and they're going to cook for about 15 minutes, and then they should be ready to go. So now we just need to wait and let these cool for a couple of minutes, and then they'll be ready to eat. Well guys, I forgot to spray the pan. So they're kind of, I don't know if you can see this, but they're stuck on the cookie sheet. So make sure you spray your pan. Oh my gosh. I might be getting a new pan, so just make sure you spray your pan before you make these. I don't know if that's going to come off or not. coming off not that bad, but still. Okay. Well, here's our finished product. And let's have a taste. They're good. A good healthy snack. Well, I hope you guys enjoy your cookies, and thank you guys so much for watching this video. And always remember to be yourself, be strong, and be beautiful. And don't forget to spray the pan. And until next time.